acceleration is awesome. It's instant, but it's smooth. Now that is way, way more than I expected.
Pure excitement for the SLS AMG E-Cell. Here is David Coulthard, the Mercedes-Benz DTM driver and 13-time Formula One Grand Prix winner, made the trip to Norway to test drive the super sports car.
Right, let's give it a go. Let's go e-drive, high performance style. Well, I think I've engaged drive. Here we are, full sport mode, acceleration test. Well, you definitely get the sensation of the acceleration, it's incredible. And there we are, after a few seconds, we are at 160 kilometers an hour. And then we'll take the carbon ceramic brakes to the limit. You've got all of the normal performance of the SLS when you want to make the turn. Try and not hit any of the cones. So, first experience going out onto the open road. Obviously there's not the power of the engine noise, but there's definitely a transmission noise, there's a sensation, a familiar sound to tell you that you're gaining speed. In many ways, it's more responsive than the standard V8 because it's not having to wait for a small delay when the driver's asking for fuel to go in the engine. Obviously, the limitation is that it has a single gear, so eventually that ratio will run out of the ability to get to very top speed. But in terms of its 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 and whatever it is kilometers an hour, it's right there with the SLS, which would come over this really funky Norwegian bridge. Well, first experience of electric car, you will not believe the performance.